When precision and reliability matter in electronics work, the best soldering station for professional ensures consistent heat control, rapid tip changes, and an ergonomic design, making intricate soldering tasks faster, safer, and highly efficient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SUGON A9 Soldering Station. The SUGON A9 soldering station stands out as a professional-grade tool designed for precision and efficiency. Built on advanced temperature control technology, this soldering station ensures minimal temperature error, fast heating, and rapid temperature recovery, making it ideal for a wide range of electronic repair and assembly tasks. Unlike traditional 936 series or DIY soldering stations, the SUGON A9 delivers reliable temperature accuracy, which is crucial for delicate work on multi-layer circuit boards or fine components. Users can choose from multiple heating cores depending on their specific work requirements. The 115 core is perfect for ultrafine solder joints under a microscope. The 210 core suits mobile phone or small appliance repairs, and the high-power 245 core handles larger solder joints effectively. Its software-controlled interface provides convenient features such as 4 preset standby temperatures, 3 memory slots for custom temperature settings, Celsius/Fahrenheit conversion, key lock, and buzzer control. The soldering station's ergonomic design and rapid response system make it particularly user-friendly, whether you are performing complex IC repairs, precision cable soldering, or home appliance maintenance. With added compatibility for S191 temperature calibrators, the SUGON A9 allows technicians to verify and adjust tip accuracy precisely. Number 2. AIFEN A9 Plus Soldering Station. The AIFEN A9 Plus soldering station is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for both professional and serious hobbyist use. Delivering a maximum power output of 120 watts, this station offers a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various soldering applications, from precision electronics to larger components. Makes it convenient for use in different regions, while the 50 to 60 Hz frequency ensures stable operation. The AIFEN A9 Plus is engineered for fast heat-up and rapid temperature recovery, reducing downtime and improving efficiency during intensive work sessions. Although it doesn't feature elaborate software controls like some premium models, its straightforward design ensures reliable operation and ease of use. Professionals appreciate the station's ergonomic handle, which offers comfort during prolonged soldering sessions, and its compatibility with various heating cores allows flexibility to adapt to different soldering projects. The robust construction ensures durability, while its temperature stability reduces the risk of overheating or damaging sensitive components. Number 3. YIHUA 938BD Soldering Station. The YIHUA 938BD soldering station is a versatile and professional-grade soldering solution designed to meet the needs of electronics repair technicians and hobbyists alike. With a rated power of 740 watt, it features a soldering iron temperature range of 200 degrees C to 480 degrees and a hot air gun range of 100 degrees to 480 degrees, providing impressive flexibility for diverse soldering and rework tasks. One of the standout features of the 938BD is its intelligent sleep mode for the soldering iron, which helps preserve tip life and reduce energy consumption by automatically entering a low power state when not in use. The station is certified by CE, FCC, UL, and WEE, ensuring safety and reliability in professional work environments. Its ergonomic design and responsive controls allow technicians to maintain precise temperature settings, which is critical for sensitive electronic components. The unit is customizable and supports various soldering and hot air nozzles, giving users the ability to adapt the tool for small and large solder joints alike. Number 4. SUGON T61 400-watt soldering station. The SUGON T61 400-watt soldering station is a high-powered, professional-grade solution built for demanding soldering tasks. With a maximum output of 400 watts, it provides rapid heating and consistent temperature control across a broad range of soldering applications. Its wide temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees to 842 degrees ensures precise control for delicate electronics, home appliances, and complex PCB repairs. The station's ergonomic wire-controlled handle design enhances usability during prolonged work, while the included multiple heating cores allow users to switch effortlessly between tasks. The SUGON T61 features intelligent PID temperature control, ensuring fast compensation and accurate tip temperature during soldering, which is particularly important for preventing component damage on sensitive circuits. Number 5. SUGON T21 Soldering Station. The SUGON T21 soldering station is a professional-grade tool engineered for speed, precision, and versatility. It utilizes an advanced program chip to control temperature accurately, ensuring the soldering tip reaches working temperatures in just 2 seconds. This makes it ideal for both beginners and professional technicians performing intricate soldering tasks on mobile phones, computers, or household appliances. The station supports multiple handle types including 245, 210, and 115, with line control functionality on the 245 and 210 handles, giving users full control over soldering temperatures. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.